In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a button to your Squarespace website. Whether you're looking to enhance user navigation or draw attention to a specific call to action, creating a button can be incredibly useful. Let's dive right in and get started. To begin, you'll want to log into your Squarespace dashboard. This is your main hub, where you can manage all the aspects of your website. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of all the websites you manage, assuming you have more than one. Look through this list and click on the website to which you'd like to add the button. After your website's overview loads up, you'll notice a panel on the left-hand side. From there, click on Website. Once you've done that, go ahead and click on Pages. This will display a list of all the pages you currently have on your site. Now your task is to select the page where you'd like the new button to appear. Take a moment to think about the best location for this button, whether it's your home page, a product page, or somewhere else. Once you've made that decision, click on the page to bring up the page editor. As the page editor loads, look towards the top left corner of your screen, where you'll find the Edit option. Clicking Edit will allow you to make changes directly to the content of the page. Once you're in editing mode, you'll see a small button labeled with a plus sign, often referred to as Ad Block. This is your gateway to adding a wide array of content blocks to your page, including text, images, and our focus today, buttons. Click on this Ad Block button, and a menu will appear. From the list of available blocks, you'll want to choose Button. Selecting this option will add a new button block to your page. You can customize this button's text to suit your specific needs, like Learn More, Buy Now, or whatever fits the function you're intending for your visitors. You can also adjust other settings, such as the button size, style, alignment, and link. Once you're satisfied with how your new button looks and functions, the next step is crucial. Be sure to click Save in the top left corner. This action will save all the changes you've made to your page, ensuring that your new button is now live and accessible to all your website visitors. And with that, you've successfully added a button to your Squarespace website page. Taking advantage of buttons is a fantastic way to encourage interaction and guide your audience where you want them to go. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.